This is an intuition awakening meditation. We all have instincts. This is a secret way that allows you just to tap into that part of you that sees beyond the veil, right? The plan is that when you get quiet, the more you can hear. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. What is intuition? Intuition is that feeling, that inner knowing, that guide, that thing that is ineffable, that part of us that just knows. You just know. So when we get quiet, we get to hear things differently. It expands our awareness, our self-awareness. Let's try this exercise together and really get in there and awaken this boundless intuition. Wherever you are, gently close your eyes. Intuition awakening. Here we go. Can you feel it? Take a deep breath in through your nose, exhaling through the nose, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. We're just witnessing the breath. Thoughtfully and purposefully witnessing the breath, just watching it. It's a challenge to do this without being distracted. So we're actually turning this into our meditation, the purposeful witnessing of our breath. Take your time, allow your body to relax, allow yourself to get centered. And as you continue to breathe naturally, bring your attention, bring your awareness to the center of your forehead, the location of your third eye chakra. It's right in the middle between the eyebrows. And if you would, put a soft indigo light glowing in this area, almost pulsing if you would. This, in Sanskrit, it's called ajna. It's a little tickle you might find if you put your attention there, certainly if you touch it, but just keep it there. The tension's right here in the middle of between the two eyebrows and up a little. Soft indigo light, pulsing gently, gently. And say these affirmations. I trust my inner wisdom. My intuition guides me clearly. I'm open to receiving intuitive messages. Stay with the breath, taking your time with each breath, truly witnessing each breath in and each breath out. So your eyes are softly closed. And imagine you're standing right now in front of a veil, a scrim, a veil, something that's sort of a little opaque, perhaps. Not entirely, but you get the idea. As you focus on your third eye, the ajna point, imagine this veil, these curtains, if you would, they start to open up, starting to impart. And here is a beautiful, radiant landscape. It's your garden of pure intuition. So you're going to step through this veil and feel yourself immersed, washed over with this beautiful, powerful, intuitive energy. We're telling the universe right here, right now, that I'm open to my intuition, being awakened. I am one with my higher self. My intuition speaks directly and clearly to me. I trust the wisdom that flows to me. No work here. All is all you and your breath. To gradually just start to bring your awareness back to your physical body. And imagine, if you would, the intuitive energy you've been connecting with. It's flowing all through your being. It's enhancing all your natural gifts. You have so many. And as you continue with this breath, we've been visualizing this beautiful indigo purple light coming out of the third eye. We're in this incredible garden of intuitive knowledge, and we're paying attention to the natural pauses between inhales and exhales. Just pay attention. And keeping your eyes softly closed, with your next inhale, put your hands together. Bring your thumbs right into the place of the heart, keeping your hands softly closed. Taking this moment, taking this breath. Let us be grateful for this intuition that we've awakened. And let's be mindful of how we go out into the world as we're now more in tuned, paying attention in a new way. Take a long, slow, deep breath in through the nose and exhale. I wish you namaste. The divine in me honors and bows to the divine in you. Take your time, coming back to your seat. Give yourself a stretch. And I love that Rumi has the most profound things to say. He's the one that actually says, the more quiet you become, the more you hear. Not a surprise. The more quiet you become, the more you hear. Let's take that in. This is a great time, if you want to journal, to just make notes of how you might feel right now, what's coming up for you, or take a rest. Tune into your own intuition. I wish you namaste.